Alright, this is kind of a follow-up video to my horizontal noise test video where I'm not using S-Log3 but Picture Profile 6, which uses the gamma curve Cine 2. And you can see that I'm sitting at ISO 10,000 right now, and the image is very clean by comparison to the 10,000 of the S-Log3. I don't think I can swap between picture profiles in camera, so I have to do it in an edit or just watch the two videos side by side. But 10,000 right here is very good looking, and there's no real noticeable change in the noise pattern between 10,000 here and 12,800 when I swap in 3, 2, 1 right there. It just gets a little bit brighter. So the problem that I'm having seems to be native to the S-Log 2 and 3 profiles, as well as the ITU 709 800% profile. So I'm going to go back down through the ISOs here for testing. This is 12,800, 10,000, 8,000, 6,400, 5,000, 4,000, 3,200, 2,500, 2,000, 1,600. That's as low as I'm going to go. I'm going to skip back up to 12,800 here, and I'm going to go higher. It's 1,600, 20,000, 25,600, 32,000, 40,000, 51,200, 64,000, 80,000, 102,400, 128,000, 160,000, 204,800, 256,000, 320,000, 409,600. So yeah, you can see kind of a difference in the different picture profiles as I ramped up through all of those.